All right, this one's going to be how many 7-card hands have 5 hearts and 2 black cards. Seven card hands, 5 hearts, 2 black cards. Okay. Is this a combination or is this blanks? Combination, it's hands of cards, the order doesn't matter. So again, it's a combination. However, I want 5 hearts and 2 black cards. You see there what I'm going to have to do? 2 combinations, right? I'm going to have to split up to get the hearts and the blacks separate there. I'm going to do a combination for the hearts and a combination for the black cards. Okay? Start with the hearts. What's the combination there? How many hearts do I have to choose from? There's 13 hearts. It's one of the suits, so there's 13 hearts. I want 5 of them at a time. What about the black cards? How many black cards are there? Well, you got clubs are black, spades are black. So there's 13 clubs, there's 13 spades, that's 26 black cards. Half of them are black. Another way to look at it, half of them are red. Half of 52. I want 2 of them. So we're going to do combination 13-5. That's 1287. Combination 26-2. 325. Add those? No, don't add them. What do we do? Multiply, because the word's and means multiply, multiply. 418,275. What you get? One more and I'll be done. Is that okay? All right. Let's go back to a number problem. How many 4-digit numbers are even and are can be formed from the digits 0 through 5? Four-digit numbers forming from 0 through 5, and we've got even numbers. Well, all right. Let's think about this. Our question is, as we got off hands of cards, we better ask our question. Is it a combination or is it blanks? Combination if the order doesn't matter. So if I make a 4-digit number here, 1, 2, 3, 4, does the order matter if I go 4, 3, 2, 1? Is that a different number? It's a different number, isn't it? The order matters. It's not a combination. It's blanks. 4 digits, 4 blanks. It's that easy, all right? Combination or blanks. If it's not a combination, use blanks. Okay? All right, now, how many are there for the first blank? Well, we're talking numbers, counting numbers, whatever. So you can't use what? 0 here. Oh, but I almost messed myself up here. I've been okay, but I also have another restriction that it be even, and I probably should start with that. I want it to be even. So let's start with that first of all. How do I get a number be even? It's the last digit, isn't it? The last digit has to be 0 or 2, or in this case, how many possible can that last blank be to make this even? It could be a 0, the last blank, or a 2, or a 4. So how many choices do I have for the last blank? 3. There's 3 choices for that last. So yeah, if there's a special restriction, you want to start with the special restriction on the blanks. It's got to be even, so it's got to be either the 0, the 2, or the 4. Okay? Now I could go to the first digit. The first digit can't be 0, so how many choices do I have for it there? It can be a 1, 2, 3, or 4, or 5, can it? 5 choices? Okay with me there? What about the second blank? No restrictions there, can it? It's going to be even, but the middle numbers can be an even or an odd number. I mean, this is an even number, isn't it? Because it ends in a 4, even though I have a 3 and a 1 in there. It ends in a 4. Now, this is an odd number, so this is not going to be counted. So, but anyway, yeah, the middle numbers don't matter. There can be anything 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So there's 6 possibilities here. Everybody okay with me on that? What about the third one? 6 again, isn't it? The third blank can be any of the 6 numbers here that I have. So 6 there. Fundamental counting principle says multiply those together. Is that 5? Huh? 540? Okay. Okay, yes. Sometimes on the blanks you can use NPR. This one I can't. Remember, NPR is the countdown product. And because this one doesn't count down, it goes up and then down and doesn't even go in order. This is not an NPR either. I mean, if it started at 5 and then it went 4, 3, 2, that's an NPR. But this one, I don't have the countdown, so this one's not an NPR. Sometimes you can use NPR, sometimes you can't. This one we can't. That's a good question.